So, in this lecture, we discuss on theory-based example on rotation and scaling. Now, first question is, so that composition of two rotation is additive by concatenating the matrix representation for r theta 1 and r theta 2 to obtain r theta 1 into r theta 2 is equal to r theta 1 plus r theta 1 plus theta 2. So we know that basic equation for rotation is cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. So to get r theta 1, simply put theta 1 in this equation. Similarly, to get r theta 2, simply put theta 2 in this equation. So we get r theta 1 and r theta 2. Now, first of all, we multiply r theta 1 and r theta 2. So here we write down these two matrix r theta 1 and r theta 2. Now these both matrix are 3 cross 3, means 3 column and 3 row. So matrix multiplication is possible. Now if we multiply these two matrix, then we get cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 cos theta 1 sin theta 2 plus sin theta 1 cos theta 2 0 minus sin theta 1 cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 sin theta 2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 0 0 0 1. So this is cos and sin means this is formula for cos, this is cos sin cos, this is formula for sin. Similarly, this is formula for sin cos sin means formula for sin, and cos sin means this is formula for cos. So we write down cos theta 1 plus cos in the bracket theta 1 plus theta 2 sin in the bracket theta 1 plus theta 2 0 minus sin in the bracket theta 1 plus theta 2 cos in the bracket theta 1 plus theta 2 0 0 0 1. Hence we prove that r theta 1 into r theta 2 is equal to r in the bracket theta 1 plus theta 2. Thank you. Now next example is, prove that multiplication of transformation matrix for each of the following sequence of operation is commutative. First, 2 successive translation, and second, 2 successive scaling. Now first of all, we perform 2 successive translations. So here translation matrix is given by 1 0 0 0 1 0 tx ty 1. So t x1 y1 is write down by 1 0 0 0 1 0 x1 y1 1, means we consider translation in x direction is x1 and translation in y direction is y1. Now similarly, t x2 y2 is written by 1 0 0 0 1 0 x2 y2 1, means tx is x2 and ty is y2. Now we multiply this t x1 y1 and 2 x2 y2. These both matrix are 3 cross 3, means 3 column and 3 row. So matrix multiplication is possible. Now after the multiplication, answer is 1 0 0 0 1 0 x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 1. So we say that t x1 y1 into t x2 y2 is equal to t in the bracket x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. This is our equation number A. Now we prove that t x2 y2 into t x1 y1. So first of all, write down t x2 y2 1 0 0 0 1 0 x2 y2 1 into t x1 y1. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 x1 y1 1. So this both matrix are 3 cross 3. So matrix multiplication is possible, and this is done by 1 0 0 0 1 0 x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 1. So we say that t x2 y2 into t x1 y1 is equal to t x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. This is our equation number B. So from equation A and equation B, we says that t x1 y1 into t x2 y2 is equal to 2 x2 y2 into t x1 y1. So we finally say that two successive translations are commutative. Next we discuss on two successive scaling. So first of all we know that scaling basic formula is sx0 0 0 sy0 0 0 1. So sx1 sy1 is get by this equation and sx2 sy2 is given by this equation. Here sx means scaling factor in x direction, so we take here sx1 and scaling factor in y direction is sy, so we take here sy1. Similarly for 2 we take sx2 and sy2. Now first of all we multiply sx1 sy1 into sx2 sy2. So write down these two matrices. These both matrices are 3 cross 3, so matrix multiplication is possible. Now we get matrix multiplication is sx1 into sx2 0 0 0 sy1 into sy2 0 0 0 1. So we say that sx1 sy1 into sx2 sy2 is equal to sx1 into sx2 comma sy1 into sy2. This is our equation number C. Now we done sx2 sy2 into sx1 sy1 matrix multiplication. So we write down these two matrices and matrix multiplication is sx1 sx2 0 0 0 sy1 into sy2 0 0 0 1. So we says that sx2 in comma sy2 into sx1 sy1 is equal to sx1 into sx2 comma sy1 into sy2. This is our equation number D. So from equation C and equation D we write down that sx1 into sy1 into sx2 sy2 is equal to sx2 sy2 and into sx1 sy1. So we says that two successive scalings are commutative. Thank you.